What's going on, guys? It's me, Lindsay, with LindsayMoore.com. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the #1 way to make money online in 2019. Now, on this channel, I cover affiliate marketing and ways how you can make money online and create passive income. Now, before I get into the content, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell so that way you get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. Now, again, in this video, the #1 way to make money online in 2019 is something that I've been doing for quite some time now. And if you're looking to create a brand online, if you're looking to create passive income online, then you definitely want to make sure that you're implementing this strategy in 2019. This is where I get affiliate sales from. This is where I get high-ticket clients, everything from this one medium, and that is YouTube. You want to create a YouTube a YouTube channel in 2019, guys, okay? So again, guys, this is a great way for you to generate income. And the one thing that I think people get lost on when it comes to creating a YouTube channel is that they only focus on generating income from AdSense, okay? Now, you have to understand, like, that is a decent way to earn income, but at any point, think about it. Your channel could go away, or maybe even if your channel just get demonetized or something like that for whatever reason, maybe you violated YouTube's terms of service or something like that, you lose that income. So let me tell you guys, there is more than one way that you can actually monetize your YouTube channel and not be solely dependent on AdSense, which you do not want to do. AdSense is just one way that you can generate income. And this is something else that I've also been seeing, especially when I'm a part of these Facebook groups and even people who leave comments on my YouTube channel and things like that as well. You know, they're just looking to get a lot of subscribers. They're just trying to get a lot of people to come to their videos. And I'm like, that works a little bit, but you have to understand, if you're not creating valuable content that people are already searching for, that people will want to consume your content every single day or every other day, or however often you release videos, for the long haul, it's not going to work for you, right? So instead of just trying to go on multiple channels, trying to get as many subscribers and things like that as possible, focus on creating content that people are already searching for, and that will make that process a hell of a lot easier for you. So now you don't have to go around searching for, likes and comments and subscribers. They'll automatically come to you. They'll automatically be attracted to your content because you're putting out great content, okay, guys? So anywho, so what I want to share with you is like several ways that you can monetize your YouTube channel. So of course, the first way is, like I said, with AdSense, right? So once you get to 1,000 subscribers and have a total of 4,000 watch hours, you can submit to be approved for your channel to be monetized through YouTube. So what I mean by that, think about any videos that you have seen on YouTube where, you see like an ad that comes on before it, where you can, after 5 seconds, you can skip that ad. Or maybe some of the ads you watch are really short clips that you can't skip or whatever. Those are going to be ads that would be added to. You can add them to the beginning of your video, the middle of your video, and the end of your video. And that's a good way to generate, income with AdSense. Okay, so the more content that you have out there, or if you have a video that has just gone viral and is getting a lot of view time and things like that, you can actually earn more with your channel. Now, also take into account with this, guys, not every channel is created equal, meaning that just because you decide to go into one particular niche and you get, your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hours, it doesn't mean that you will earn the same amount of ad revenue as somebody who's in one of the popular niches, like maybe like make money online, business, health and fitness, relationships, and something like that. You probably won't earn the same amount of money, okay, guys? So you have to take that into consideration when you are creating your YouTube channel, that if you're looking to make money with AdSense, are you creating your channel within a niche that's going to earn more ad revenues, okay? So you have to take that into account. Now, the second way that you can actually earn income with YouTube is, let's see here. You can sell your own merchandise, okay? So right now we're looking at Roberto Blake's channel right here. He's a really popular YouTuber. And as you guys can see here, through Teespring, he is sharing, different graphic tees that he's selling that people can purchase. So people who are, once you start building a solid brand on YouTube and people are being really familiar with your content, they're resonating with you and they're building those relationships with you, they're going to want to support you in any way that they can, because it's called that law of reciprocity. Okay, so if they feel like if you're just giving out valuable information that's helping them inside of their business, their life, whatever it is, they will feel like they are in some way indebted to you, right? So meaning like if you come out with a course, if you come out with your own merchandise and things like that as well, what they will do is they will go ahead and purchase those things from you because they want to support your business, what it is that you're doing. Because one, you put out value, you show that you actually care about people, that you're willing just to put out valuable content, whether they buy from you or not. You're just willing just to put out that content. So understand that too as well with your YouTube channel. If you lead with value and you give out value and not really focus solely on selling, okay, you can sell on your YouTube channel, but you always want to lead with value first. If people can get that from your YouTube channel, they can gain some knowledge or they can gain some type of results with whatever you're teaching inside of your videos. Again, the law of reciprocity. If you're going to be offering a course or you're going to be offering t-shirts or anything like that, they will buy from you, right? And that goes into the next thing I was telling you guys about is courses, okay? So that's another way that you can monetize your channel. So if you are on your channel and you know how to get 1,000 subscribers with YouTube, you can create a small course sharing with people how they can get started with YouTube and get their first 1,000 subscribers. You can also do a more advanced version of this, or whatever niche that you're in, you can create a simple course, maybe like 4 to 5 modules long. You can create something more detailed if you want to as well. There's always that option. But just starting off, you can do that as well. Now, this is something that I was sharing with one of my videos on people who are using the TikTok app. I was telling them, like, how they can actually monetize their TikTok audience by creating something. Like if they have a lot of subscribers or a lot of fans, then why not create a small course that's like 4 to 5 modules long, sharing with people like how you can get your first X amount of fans or followers on TikTok, link it to a PayPal account and charge, $7 to $12 for the product or $17 for the product or something like that. That's how you can start generating income as well. Create your own small course so that people can purchase things from you. Now, another thing you can also do is sponsorships, okay? So right now we're looking at FameBit. Now, to be sponsored by anybody on any company that you find on FameBit, you do have to have at least 5,000 subscribers, okay? So you need to take that into account. Now, with this particular platform, you can come on here and you can actually go and look for different job posts, not like job posts, but sponsorship postings by different companies and brands that are looking for YouTube creators to sponsor, their brand on their videos. So you can do that as well. You'll also have people where they'll actually reach out to you and ask for you to sponsor, one of their videos or give you an affiliate link or something like that, so you can talk about their particular product or service on your YouTube channel. I don't use FameBit. I actually have people to actually contact me through my email, through my social media and things like that as well, if they want me to promote their particular product or brand or service onto my YouTube channel. But this is a great way for you to get started, okay? So they have like a wide variety of brands. I mean, it can be from products, it could be from hair products, it can be from digital courses and things like that as well. It's a wide variety of things on here. So if you at least have 5,000 subscribers, come over here to famebit.com, create an account, and go and check out and see what's going on back there. And if you qualify for one of those sponsorships, go ahead and take advantage of it and start generating some additional income, okay? Now, the last one that I want to cover and the most important one I want to cover is affiliate marketing, guys. So when you are creating YouTube videos, especially if you come over here to YouTube, it's like, maybe like the health and fitness niche, maybe the relationships niche, the making money online niche. A lot of us, we create content and we also have information where people can purchase the products or services that we're using in our business that's helping us to have success. Also, things like any type of tools that we use to help us build our business. So my webcam that I'm using right here, the stand that it's on, all that type of stuff. People want to know what that stuff is and how they can purchase it. So I will send them to Amazon, and I'll actually have links in my description on where they can actually purchase, like, you know, the umbrella kit that I have here that's facing my face right now, that's making me super hot right now. You know, my phone stand, my selfie stick, all that type of stuff. I can include that information in my description below and send people to Amazon so that way they can purchase it. Now, when they purchase it, guess who gets a commission? I do, right? And it's the same thing. Like I said, I'm in the make money online internet marketing niche. So this is one of the websites that I use. It's called jbzoo.com. Now with jbzoo.com, they have a wide variety of products like digital courses, primarily in the internet marketing and make money online niche. Same thing with another website called Warrior Plus. And I can do a full review of a product that I am using or a product that's about to launch. And then I can include my affiliate link for that product from these websites in the description below. So now I'm doing a full review. I'm letting people know what the product is, how it can actually help them inside of their business, what results they could possibly generate from it. And if somebody is interested in that, all they'll have to do is go underneath my video, click on the link, and if they purchase that product, I earn a commission. Okay? A wide variety of people who are doing YouTube videos or YouTube creators have some form, or they're selling their own course, or they're doing some form of affiliate marketing. Okay, guys? So, I've also even mentioned in other videos how affiliate marketing is a great way to get started to make money online, because with affiliate marketing, you don't have to create your own courses. You don't have to deal with customer support issues or anything like that. All you will have to do is just focus on creating content, creating reviews, and just generating traffic to your affiliate link, and that's it. And if people purchase, you earn an affiliate commission, guys. Okay, it's a really great way to get started to make money online. Now, if you want to know more information about affiliate marketing, how you can get started, and how you can start to earn your first monies online with affiliate marketing, underneath this video in the description below, I'm going to share with you the system I am using that I'm having success with affiliate marketing. It's going to show you step by step on how you can get started as well, guys. Okay, so hopefully you find this video helpful, guys. Again, what I covered in this video is you want to start a YouTube channel in 2019 if you haven't already, and the various ways that you can monetize it. Okay, AdSense is one of them, but you don't want that to be the sole way that you are earning income from your YouTube channel. You also want to create a course. You can also get paid sponsorships. You can also create your own merchandise, and also, again, guys, affiliate marketing, guys. You can generate affiliate commissions by promoting products and talking about doing different reviews on your channel, guys. Okay. So again, you hope you found this video helpful. Go ahead and hit this video, comment below. Leave any questions that you have. Like this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell, so that way you get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. And to the next video, guys. Peace.